In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to clear your Elementor cache. This process is essential for anyone using Elementor for their website design, as it ensures the changes you make in your design are immediately reflected on your site. Sometimes, the cached version of your site may prevent you from seeing the latest updates. So, let's walk through this step-by-step process to make sure you know exactly what to do when you need to clear your Elementor cache. Let's start by logging into your WordPress dashboard. You'll need to have administrative access, so make sure you're using an account that has the right permissions. Once you're logged in, look at the left-hand side of your dashboard. You should see a menu with various items listed vertically. Scroll down until you find the Elementor tab. Click on it to open the Elementor settings page. Now, with the Elementor settings page open, direct your attention to the Advanced tab. You'll see this among several other tabs at the top of the page. Give it a click to change the view. Within this section, you'll find a variety of settings related to Elementor's advanced functions. Continue by scrolling down until you spot the cache section. This includes options that deal specifically with caching and how Elementor stores temporary data to speed up your site's performance. Cached data helps reduce load times, but can sometimes hold on to outdated information when updates are made. In the cache section, you'll notice an option labeled Regenerate CSS. What this does is refresh the CSS files, ensuring that all styling changes are accurately applied. Go ahead and click the Regenerate Files button. You might need to wait a moment as Elementor clears out the old cached CSS and regenerates it to reflect your recent updates. Moving on, it's time to clear your browser cache. Sometimes, what appears to be an issue with Elementor may actually be your browser storing outdated versions of your site. Start by opening your browser's settings. Although this process may vary slightly depending on your specific browser, you usually need to find the History option. From there, access the Clear Browsing Data feature. Pay close attention to the time range settings. Make sure you set it to all time to ensure a thorough clearance. Also, ensure that cached images and files are selected before you confirm to clear the data. Keep in mind that this process will only remove cached versions of websites. Your stored passwords and other similar data will remain untouched unless you choose to remove them. Finally, you can refresh your live site to see if the changes have been successfully applied. Visit your website as any visitor would and check for the updated elements. If everything looks good, congratulate yourself, you've successfully cleared your Elementor cache. This not only keeps your design process running smoothly but also ensures that your visitors experience your site exactly as you intend. That's all for this guide. Remember, clarity is key in website design, so regularly clearing cache is part of maintaining the best experience for you and your users. Thanks for joining me today. Happy designing!